Hello everybody, this is Kathy from KathysForex.com, and this video is about how I made what is it, 700 pips in past 3 days. I'm going to concentrate mostly on yesterday because yesterday was the big portion of that 750 pips. I gained about 450 pips yesterday trade, and it was mostly on the Aussie. About 100 pips of it was with pound dollar, 40 pips of it was with dollar yen, and the rest of it was pound Aussie. Let me move this and let me move my head. For those of you who are following me, you know that I started a small account under $1,000 last week of November, and I start trading live. So the goal is to grow a small account. So the first 3 weeks of starting this account, which was the last 3 weeks of 2019, my gain was, let me see, about 850 pips. Now, this year I started with 1,075, and right now at the moment, let's see, we are at $1,117. So that's about 75 pips, 75 pips gain over past 3 days, which totals about 750 pips profit. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring in TradingView here. TradingView has a replay option, and we need to go to pound Aussie. We got pound Aussie on TradingView, and this is a replay mode. So what it does, it will go back to the date that we wanted, and you start generating the candles as they were generating yesterday. Now, let me add a couple support and resistance here. The first, I want to add monthly resistance here, because it's 91.26. This is a monthly resistance. Then we also had we have a daily resistance at 91.15. Here it is, and this one is at 91.15. So this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at monthly resistance and daily resistance in this place, and I'm seeing that the price has come and kept on getting rejected at this level. I'm also looking at the 13 and 20 MA, and I'm seeing this curve is happening right here. You see, this curve is happening. The other thing I'm seeing, I need this. I'm looking at this. So the price going up, but doesn't reach the last high, doesn't pass the last high. Price coming back to the MA13 and MA20, gets rejected, goes back up. So here we are. We have monthly resistance. 2, we have daily resistance. 3, we have this pennant that is the most of the pressure is at the lower band, is not as at the upper band. So let me get rid of this. That was too fast. Let me cancel this. Yes, I do. I want to go back here. I want to do this, and I want to do it at 12. We want to start at 12. So I'm watching this, and this is happening. The price comes up, breaks the trend line right here, and let me put this here, and this is our highest high, right? Let's keep on going. So the price comes up. Now watch this. It comes up, it does not pass the last high, and it get completely rejected. Look at those sellers. Let me widen this. Look at these sellers, the power of these sellers. Bring it down, all the way down, and breaks the low of the last candle plus more, and brings the price below moving average 20. Now at this point, this is as good as a chart that you can get. Now let me see what, yes, this is London time. So let's continue. So price starts, comes to MA 50, and here it is. Now I've been watching it for past 2 hours from here to here. Price comes, kept testing the MA 50. Now the MA 20 and MA 13 is still in the curve mode, and this, so it's not pointing down anymore, it's more of a flat top. So we're going to remove that, it's not relevant anymore. So now we are dealing with a double top. Now we have double top. Now this is keep adding to the reasons I want to be in this trade. I have monthly resistance, I have daily resistance very close to the monthly resistance. Then I have double top on hourly chart. Now I'm like, okay, this is good, right? Then I'm looking, moving average 13, moving average 20, pointing down. It gives me more indication that the price has more tendency to go down. Now I go to daily chart. Actually, I went to monthly chart. When I went to the monthly chart, I saw the price for past 3 months been kept pounding at this level. 1, 2, 3, 4 right now. So 4 times getting rejected, it gives me indication it's going to go down and is going to hit 184, 185, but I'm not going to keep it to 185. I want to get my money and out. So I'm not a swing trader. I entered at 191.23. I aim here close to the monthly resistance, and I'm like, okay, if the price come back up to retest the monthly resistance, which is 0.38 Fibonacci level, I'm gonna get in a short sell on this. So let's have this run. So the prices start moving, price comes up, and don't forget at this time we had about 5 to 8 pips spread on this pair. The price comes up, I get hit, right? And kept on going. The price kept on going, and then here we are. I place a pending order right here at 191.23. It comes, I get filled, and the price goes, let me pause here, and the price goes all the way up here. Now while the price is moving up, I'm keep adding, right? I added another one. Let me see, hold on. I added one at 190.83, and I added one at 191.26. We got that. 191.51 and 191.15. Okay, as this pair was moving up, I was adding in these levels. Now let's play this. So it comes up. There it goes. I get filled, and it comes up, retest the last high, and I get filled at 191.50, 191.51 right here, and then the prices start going down. Now I'm in profit here when you start going sideways here for like, God knows, 7, 8 hours, 10 hours. By that time, it was late for me. It was like midnight here. So I just put a stop. Let me do this. So what I did when it got to the midnight and I was time to go to bed, I put a stop right above the high of this, and added about 8 pips of, I added about 8 pips of spread. So the prices keep moving. Now I put my target 190.26. Everything is the way I want it. The moving averages are below MA50. They have crossed. MA13 is below MA20. That's another point. We got rejected 3 times at 190.57. Monthly resistance, daily resistance. So everything is the way I wanted. And this is just consolidation zone for the price to go lower. Now, when I looked at the chart, possible resistance where the price could have just hanged out, I put a stop loss 8 pips, the spread above the this consolidation zone, and I went to bed. Placed my target and I went to bed. And then this happened in London session. Let's watch. The prices keep moving in this area, is creating a flag pattern. And it tries to break below the flag pattern. One more time. And bam! It drops below. And I get filled all my positions. Pound dollar, this one also get filled with the same move. This was dollar yen. It also get filled. This was 40 pips. And that's it. So right now, let me close this. Yeah, leave. Let's get this back in the order here. Bottom line is you must trust the chart. You must trust your strategy. If you do not trust your strategy, that means you're not ready to trade with real money. Now, there are lots of ways to gain confidence when you are trading. One, get out of those chat rooms that everybody knows everything, and everybody's Warren Buffett, and they slam you down for going short or slamming you down if you're going long. It really doesn't matter what you say there. Whatever you say, there is someone there in those chat rooms to put you down. There, educate yourself, get yourself proper teacher, read and trade on demos until you feel confident enough that you can look at the chart and say, okay, I get it. This is what's happening here. If I trade here, this is my loss. I take that. I understand that. I take this loss if I am wrong, and I'm okay with it. If I'm right, I take my profit as well. So I wish you all luck. I hope all of you have fantastic days like this. Subscribe to this channel. Click the notification and leave comments. Thank you, and see you next time.